Minister for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Foreign Affairs, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, has emphasized the need for policy interventions to safeguard Ghana's water resources. Speaking at a recent stakeholder consultation to address the country's worsening sanitation and water quality, he urged corporate organizations to support the maintenance of facilities provided by the government and international donor partners. Following the recent suspension of U.S. aid operations in several African countries by U.S. President Donald Trump, the minister emphasized the need for Ghana to become self-reliant and take full ownership of its water and sanitation infrastructure.
As a country, we seem to be joking with funding, searching for solutions. You have big powers heading some corporate institutions where they even send the corporate social responsibility to their hometown, and not even the local people who are even suffering from the consequences of their activities. And if you look at the haphazard way of locating unplanned community water services and other things, it's a problem. And that's why I'm of the view that we should create a pool. U.S. aid may not be able to do much. World Vision may not be able to do much, but they started very well with us. The sustainability should be our core responsibility. We must be thinking of how to sustain their activities after they are no more.
The minister also revealed plans to reintroduce a sanitation fund to tackle the country's growing sanitation crisis, stressing that its establishment is long overdue.
I have just assumed responsibility, and sanitation has just been brought under us. Establishment of sanitation authority and a sanitation levy. Sanitation fund will call for a sanitation levy. Well, when you are creating a fund, it means you are instituting a tax. It has to be taken from somewhere to come and establish the fund. And it is long overdue. So it is something when Parliament reconvenes after this adjournment, as a ministry will visit it and it will be done.
According to the USAID, over 6 million Ghanaians currently lack access to safe drinking water, while more than 60% of water sources are contaminated due to pollution from illegal mining. Robert Wamishu, Program Director for Water Sanitation and Hygiene at World Vision Ghana, has called for the effective implementation of policies at the local level to address this crisis.
Policies are very clear in Ghana. We have guidelines very clear, but the dissemination of those guidelines, those policies to the local level, to the MMDA level needs more work. And I think it is one key area that we want to take up.
According to USAID, approximately 60% of Ghana's surface water is polluted nationwide, posing a severe threat to public health and water security. Stakeholders are therefore calling for collaboration and decisive policy implementation to tackle this growing crisis. Stephen Mensa's report, read to you.